What's up, guys? I'm in Covington, Kentucky right now. We're about to cross the Ohio River and go over to Cincinnati, Ohio in my M5. Had a little road trip weekend, so I'm warning you now, I'm not able to drive too crazy fast for multiple reasons. First of all, I have a lot of like road trip stuff in the car, clothes, food, drinks. So a lot of stuff moving around. And B, I'm not from here. And C, like every other city in America, potholes. But I'll have the windows down and maybe open the sunroof at some point so we can get some nice echoes from the buildings and let this V10 sing a little bit. So let's go for a ride, a little night cruise. I do have Bridget with me. She's grumpy because we're leaving so late for Atlanta. Had a busy day. All right, put the windows down because I know the tent's pretty dark. I do have a GoPro Hero 10 on my head, and I have the wind reduction noise turned off because sometimes it'll muffle the sound of the exhaust to the point where you can barely hear it. But it's not windy tonight, so I don't think we should be worried. I'll roll the back windows down as well. Oh, see what I mean about potholes? Told you, got a lot of junk in here from this past weekend. About to get copyrighted for this music. I didn't fart, by the way. I don't know what that smell is. Huh? Oh, it's probably all these trash cans. There was a big Bengals game today.
They won.
Yeah, they won too, so.
The Browns.
Against the Cleveland Browns. I wish we could go by their stadium, but unfortunately I don't really know this area, so I'm kind of just gonna go through the downtown area. Unless you...
We're closer to where the Reds Stadium is.
The Reds, yeah. Okay, I guess I gotta go this way. hear a Charger or a Challenger out in the distance.
There's the Red Stadium.
Wait, does that mean do I have to wait for this guy? I don't I don't know how trolleys work. Oh wait, we went this way earlier. Okay, so that's where the Reds play.
Yeah, that's where you snuck in.
Huh?
I said that's where you snuck in that one.
Right here.
You cleared the wall.
Oh, sorry, light screen. Oh, I forgot to open the sunroof. He's looking at my head. He's like, "What's on your head?" I can't imagine how goofy I look right now. All right, let this guy go first. Forget a slick top. You do this, you hear more exhaust coming in the cabin. Sunroof is what you want. I'll rev it once these guys go. I don't want to start randomly revving it and like people will be like, what is this idiot doing? Rowdy. Should I go left? I want to get between the big buildings. These are pretty big.
This is a left only permit.
I have no choice. That is the smallest red light ever. Those things are like the size of a tennis ball. Did you see that it was red?
Yeah. So I was like, oh, well, maybe he knows and he's just trying.
Why is the light so small? Literally the size of a tennis ball.
I mean, it throws me off because they're like horizontal.
Yeah, I don't even think Atlanta has horizontal lights. They're all...
I think the one here is
yeah, I think all Atlanta lights are vertical. Sorry for all the guys talking, sorry guys for all the talking. I can do another one of these POV at night videos when we get to Atlanta, where I'm not talking so much. It's just because I don't know where I'm going. I'm kind of relying on Bridget here because she's actually from here and kind of knows this city better than I do. I want to get us back to the bridge to go back over the river, but the other bridge, not like the nice fancy bridge. You know? But yeah, if you can, in your maps, get us to, like, basically get us going back to Atlanta. But that should take us over that bridge that's, like, underneath the train.
Yeah.
Race Street. Literally Race Street. I've never heard Race Street before. It says do what? Oh, turn left. You guys going back to Atlanta? Alright, I mean, it should take us over there, if not.
Usually, I mean, most times if we go over at least one bridge to get back, I mean, Northern Kentucky and Ohio are connected by like a half across the bridge.
What am I doing? Go straight?
Yeah, 71.
So I'm gonna make a left or what?
On that,
So I gotta go that way.
yeah. Yeah. This could be fun.
Gosh. Your hair doesn't get stuck in it. Oh gosh. Gee, what a mess.
Long hair.
Huh. Back to Kentucky. From Kentucky to Ohio, back to Kentucky. Alright guys, well, even though it's Sunday, there's still a decent amount of traffic, so no point in just watching me cruise, but I'll go through the gears one last time and then I'll sign out. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of Cincinnati and Covington. 2 states, 1 video. Holy crap. All right, I'm signing out. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Take care.